Hi everyone, we're Faye and Simon and we're F&S resellers and we sell full time on eBay and Amazon. We're here to show you a little cheeky top-up haul. These top-up hauls are like if we pop out to the post office or the chemist or just like little sort of errands and then you happen upon a charity shop or two.
They're trips that kind of, they're really like financially viable to make because you're already out. So if you're out, I don't know, having lunch and you pop in a chazza, what you pick up might pay for your lunch as well. Also not, you know, taking special trips, like just for 30 minutes to a local charity shop if you're already out. So that kind of works out well. We've got a few good ones in our local area. Why don't you show us what you got then?
Okay, right. First things first, should we do clothes or a bit of both, or what do you want to go with first?
You tell me. Most of this is yours. I'll just tag along at the end.
Okay, do some clothes. So this is like a suede style light jacket with fringe. It's like a waterfall front. And I just thought it was a bit different. It hasn't got a brand. It's got like a lacy tag in it. It costs £4 and it's a medium. But I just thought it was a bit different.
Spandex and polyester.
But yeah, I just thought it was a bit different. Western, cowgirl. Picked this one up yesterday. It's J. Crew ladies blouse. Needs a bit of a iron or something, which is annoying because I hate ironing. But this one costs £4.49 and it's a medium.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
What was the last item for reselling clothing that you ironed?
Quite a while.
I was just wondering, like, how many things you pick up and sort of think, oh, I need to iron that, and then when it comes to it, you're just like, oh, do you know what? I can't be bothered. I'm just going to list it as it is. Needs ironing.
Kettle whale top. Now, when I picked this up, no, I wasn't. No, this is our local hospital shop. I was going to tell you a little story, but no, this is the wrong place. So this was £3.90. Used sort of V-neck, size medium. Here we go. This is a bit different. Ralph Lauren, £3.50, so quite a thick t-shirt. But I thought it was just a bit different.
Isn't it Ralph Lauren?
Ralph Lauren.
Get told off.
Sorry, extra large. Ralph Lauren. So that kettlewell top, how much did I say it was?
£3.90. So
in the same shop, I picked up this. It's just ASOS. It was £3.75, but it's brand new with tags. And I just couldn't understand. It was
15p less.
15p less, brand new with tags. But all the men's brand new with tags, regardless of what it was like £13 to £15. So I just picked that up out of principle. Then when I was out the other day with my sister and niece, we popped into 4 charity shops. Now she's a reseller too, A to Z resellers over on Instagram. And so I kind of had some competition in the shop. But I picked up this Kim & Co for £3.50 because people pick up Kim & Co. I also picked up this mint velvet star t-shirt with like zebra print or something on it.
What are these sleeves called when they're not short sleeves?
Cap sleeves. Oh. Look, they even wrote mint velvet with a heart.
Yeah, they spotted that one, didn't they? How much did they put on it?
£4.50. And what size is it? Small. In the same shop.
So, sorry. So there was a mint velvet item the other day. Where were we? Yeah. There was £6 brand new with tags, and it was a size 8.
Yeah.
And you didn't buy it. And
no.
This is £4.50 without tags, and it's a small, which is going to be what, 6 to 8 or whatever. Yeah. But you did buy it. Yeah,
because I think that one was more sort of dressy. This is a t-shirt with a star on it.
Just you know.
Trying to get in my head.
Yeah, trying to get in your head.
Been doing that for 12 years.
Not wise. Don't try that.
I also got a brand new with tags Bowden blouse with like sort of flowery stars on there. This was £8.50, but because it was brand new tags, thought I'd give it a go because the size is 16. I got another Kim & Co top, just this sort of cold shoulder floral number, medium, £4.50. Another blouse, this is Run and Fly, £6. I got it because it's got foxes on it. I thought it was a bit different. People like things with animals on. Medium. That was probably everything I got with Zoe, my sister, but I then went off on my own because they walked home, and I went in another charity shop and got this Hush brand new with tags top, size 10, paid up for it £10. There was another reseller in there though, and I think she was really smug because I think she could tell that I was a reseller, and she picked up loads of stuff, but she missed the stuff I got, so that was the first one. She missed this long tall Sally top that I got for £1, size 22. She also missed this Kettlewell wrap
Rub
top.
it in. Rub it in.
Medium, this was £5. And she also missed this sea salt coat.
Maybe she just had to start grabbing stuff because she saw you coming and got desperate.
I don't know, but she had sea salt, I saw it. And this was £6.
Well, that's decent, isn't it?
Yeah, so the money that I sort of paid up on the Hush top spread out over, it's got a couple of marks that I can wipe off.
It's a little wiped, doesn't it?
But the money I paid up on the Hush top spread out over all the items I got in that shop, I think were pretty good. I then went in a Bernardo's. The stock in there can be pretty pants. Just the quality of the clothing just looks naff. I got this vintage Frank Usher sort of crushed velvet vest top for £3. It's a medium. I don't know if it's from the same donator, but I also got this Fenright Manson vest top, size 18 for £2.50, which is a very similar sort of style, aren't they?
I guess they are.
The vests. And then when I popped to the one near the chemist, which I went to yesterday, but also went earlier in the week, so between us I think we've been in there 3 times in a week. I got this t-shirt. Now I had a quick look in the shop. The brand is Christopher Kane. Now he is a Scottish fashion designer, and some of his stuff sells for a lot of money, so I have no idea about this one. I didn't look this one up exactly. It costs $3.99 and it's a size medium.
Is it like hand embroidered or whatever?
Yeah, it's embroidered. Yeah, it might have been done on a machine. On that same trip, I also got this Hush shirt, size 10 for $3.99. Ooh, and I think, I was going to say, does it come with a vest top? No, but it's like sort of lined, so it's not see-through. So pleased with that. And then I also bought some white jeans in autumn because they're a bit different. They've got these turn-ups on the bottom, sort of embroidered roses. They're Joe Brown, size 18, and they cost $4.99.
Done pretty well there, haven't you? And you're itching to list it all because you kind of listed everything, haven't you, that we've got at the moment?
All clothes, yeah. Do you want to do some bits?
Yeah, so when I was at the post office, I've just got like a little few bits that I grabbed. I won't bother scanning anything or whatever. A couple of DVDs, brand new and sealed, $1.99 and $1.99. I can't really remember how much they were selling for, but got that. Keep picking this up. This must be the 3rd or 4th one now. Smart Ass. Paid $2.99, it's used. And then I picked these up and I thought maybe they glowed under UV light. $3.49 each, they are really heavy. What would you say they are? Are they vases?
Yeah.
Big
vases.
Drinking glasses. They're really heavy. Anyway, I just put a UV torch to them so they're not uranium glass, they don't glow. But I'm hoping, you know, maybe we'll make something back on those.
Oh, we will.
I did buy them hoping they were uranium, but they're not. Because I had a good look and they had like the little bubbles in, which sometimes is a bit of a giveaway. But no. Also, on the same trip, I picked up all of this lot.
Looks like it's come straight out of a village hall kitchen.
Yeah, so that, and 7 cups and
or an old people's home.
a milk jug or whatever. gravy jug. Not gravy jug, is it?
That
Milk
could
jug.
be.
Now the brand is Woods Wear, and it's jasmine is the pattern. So while I was in the Chuzza, I paid up for all of this. Wait for it. I paid $24.99 for it all. Faye's not seen this, by the way, and I've hidden it, so we haven't even talked about it. But I did have a look on eBay when I was in the shop. I just filtered sold, highest price first, and 4 of the dinner plates go for 20 quid.
Okay.
So I was quite happy. I've got 6 dinner plates, 6 medium-sized plates, 8 side plates, 6 saucers, 7 mugs, 2 bowls, and a gravy milk jug.
It's a custard jug.
Oh yeah, custard jug's perfect colour for a custard jug, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I just got it on the idea that if we can get 20 quid for 4 dinner plates, then we'll make up the right bundles. Probably this would maybe turn into 3 or 4 bundles, I would imagine.
Yeah.
4 or 5 or 6, something like that. But that will be Faye that will be doing those. And you do a really good job when you do your crockery bundles, so you're in the best place. You're the best placed person within this business.
Oh, thank you.
To do that.
Right.
And then the rest Faye's been gathering up.
Yes, I want to see. So I picked up a Slimming World book. I always pick up these when I see them. I'll probably have a flick through myself and then list it. This was £2. I've got some DVDs. This one, Brighton Rock, and this one, Taken Trilogy.
Ooh.
We always see Taken, or Taken 2, or Taken 3, but never the trilogy.
Yeah.
Now this one here is a Funko Pop, Game of Thrones. It was priced £10, but I didn't actually see that. I saw the price on the front that says £5. And then the guy in the shop was like, "Oh, just to let you know, it is £5 because we've got a we've reduced the price, and that sells for £36.26 here. So £5 into 36. I grabbed this because it was £1, I think. Yeah, it was £1, and I saw it. It's brand new and sealed, and I thought, oh, our niece she just loves puzzles, and this would be perfect for her for Christmas. It's a really low price on Amazon at the moment. It's $4.99, but it's $910 in toys, which is really, really good. So I'm thinking might save it for her.
Right, well you better come and get that off me then later. I'm gonna go upstairs. And if you forget to come and get it, then it just wasn't meant to be.
Oh, but her little face. Grabbed a couple of other DVDs. This one here is Come Play With Me, and it's the most erotic X film of 1977, apparently.
My birth year.
Yeah. Cost $1.99. There you go. I also paid up for this one, Game of Thrones.
Digitally remastered as well.
You'd hope so. The complete 7th season of Game of Thrones for $6.99 on Blu-ray. And in the same shop, I got Disney Pictopia. Did we sell a different version of this that we got at the garage sale?
Yeah, sold that recently.
This is nice.
It was a smaller version, I think.
This one's nice. It's like really good condition. It actually looks like you sealed it up because it's got the clear sticker.
It actually does. Looks like.
Yeah.
The only difference is that it's still got the old tape on it, but I seal it with the clear circles, which these have got exactly the same size that I use, 50mm, and still got the old tape on, which I'd have removed.
How much did I pay for that one?
$3.99.
$3.99, sales at new $22.80, so that's okay. I also got Dream Phone, and according to the ladies in the Chazza, this is all new inside, hasn't been used. So it's the more modern version, but it's got a really good rank. Paid $2.99, and there's none available used.
I have got spares for this. I think I've got one. I had one where the phone didn't work.
Okay.
So just in case it's not complete.
And then when I was in the Chazza, I was looking at the clothes, and the lady behind the till was sorting out jigsaw puzzles to put out, and she was about to put this one out, and I said, "Stop, can I have a look at this please, and I'll put it on the shelf if I don't want it." Clementoni 1000-piece Disney jigsaw, and this is unavailable, new or used. $1.99, really good.
Yeah.
So super happy with that. And is this my last item coming up?
Finally, yeah.
And finally, in the hospice shop, I saw this. I like selling random stuff like this. It's a Vax accessory kit, pro cleaning kit actually, type 2. And I probably would sell it on eBay, but I did just scan it on Amazon because it was the easiest way. And it sells for $34.99. It's got 631 reviews, and I paid £5.
Have you had a look inside?
No.
You can see like water damage to the box here.
Oh yeah.
So let's see. All looking good in there. There's a couple of things underneath as well. I think something going on underneath. Yeah, another attachment. Leave where it is because it's going to just close nicely on top.
That's all of our little top-up haul.
Yeah, very nice.
It's little trips like that just keep us going, and sometimes they're the trips where you find the real treasure, aren't they?
Yeah, when you go looking for it, you don't find it. Sometimes you can find some belts, can't you? So what's your favourite pickup of all of that?
My favourite pickup of all of that is probably, I don't know, maybe the Funko Pop's pretty good. Yeah, maybe the sea salt jacket because that lady didn't get it and I did.
I am going to go for this.
I haven't asked you yet. What's your favourite pickup?
Yeah, I'm going to go for that. And we'll see. Hopefully it'll be in one of our sales videos soon.
What, the actual bowl or the whole set? Is that your favourite?
Some of it. The custard jug maybe.
Cool. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe. You know the score, and we'll see you next time.
See you in the next video. Bye.